Hello children, this video is for class 2, subject general knowledge, topic revision of page number 39 to 41. And this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Plants are living things that grow anywhere, on land, in water, even in very hot places such as desert and very cold places such as hills and mountains. We see plants around us. Some are small and some are big. They need air, water, soil, and sunlight to grow. Generally, most plants have leaves. Many plants bear flowers, and most of them changes into fruits. And most of fruits have seeds inside them. Let us learn more about the different kinds of plants one by one on the basis of their shapes and sizes. Now children, we will start with our worksheet. Read about the plants and name them according to their shapes and sizes. First, they are big and tall plants. The main stem is called the trunk. Small, thin stems are called branches. These are trees. Second, these plants have very thin and weak stems. They grow along the ground. They are creepers. 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 Third, these plants do not grow tall. They do not have a trunk. They have short woody branches. These are shrubs. 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 Fourth, these plants have weak stems. They need to support of other plants, sticks or wire nets to climb and grow. These are climbers. 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 Fifth, these plants are very small. They have soft green stems. These plants are herbs. 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 Next question is, give two examples of each. First, trees. Second, shrubs. Third, herbs. Fourth, creepers. Fifth, climbers. Two examples of trees are neem tree and coconut tree. Two examples of trees are neem tree and coconut tree. Second, shrubs. Two examples of shrubs are rose plant and cotton plant. Two examples of shrubs are rose plant and cotton plant. Third, herbs. Two examples of herbs are mint and basil. Two examples of herbs are mint and basil. Fourth, creepers. Two examples of creepers are pumpkin and cucumber. Two examples of creepers are pumpkin and cucumber. Fifth, climbers. Two examples of climbers are money plant and grapevine. Two examples of climbers are money plant and grapevine. Next question is, answer these questions. First, what is the main stem of tree called? First question is, what is the main stem of tree called? Answer is, the main stem of tree is called trunk. The main stem of tree is called trunk. Question number 2. Which plants need support to climb and grow? Which plants need support to climb and grow? Answer is, climbers need supports to climb and grow. Climbers need support to climb and grow. Now children, let's do the worksheet related to page number 40 and 41. First question is, write the names of 5 things that we get from trees. Write the names of 5 things that we get from trees. We get many things from trees, but we have to write here only 5 things. So let's start. Number 1 is food. F-O-O-D, food. Second, clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Third, medicines. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. Fourth is oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Fifth is wood. W-O-O-D, wood. So, 5 things we get from trees are food, clothes, medicines, oxygen, wood. Next question is, write true or false. First, plants have life in them. Plants have life in them. It is true. Second, plants do not like music. Plants do not like music. It is false. Third is, plants need soil, sunlight, and water to grow. Plants need soil, sunlight, and water to grow. It is true. We need polluted air to live. We need polluted air to live. It is false. Fifth is, we should plant more and more trees. We should plant more and more trees. It is true. Children, now let's do revision test paper. Question number 1. Write the names of 5 things that we get from trees. Second, give 2 examples of each. A. Tree. B. Shrubs. C. Creepers. Third, write true or false. A. Plants do not like music. B. We should plant more and more trees. C. Plants need soil, water and sunlight to grow. Fourth, answer these questions. A. What is the main stem of tree called? B. Which plants need support to climb and grow?